Right now, only with this one.
Yeah, you might as well. In 1 minute. You'll note that some of these will, they'll cut out with little half moon shapes. Yeah, you can't. Once you cut, you can't cut again with that. You cut with scissors. This is the one we're using today, and it doesn't have to be exact. And some of them won't cut out perfectly. They will cut out with little half moon shapes, and that's okay. Some of these will work. It's yeah, on this heavy paper, you can't do 3.
I was trying to do 2, but even then,
yeah, right. I can do 3, but there's no, I mean 2, but there's nothing wrong with 1.
Unbelievable.
Okay, I'll be right back. But the die itself sharpens up the trimming. If you've left the string sticking out inside the die, chop it off. You then pick it out of the die, so it's better not to. It's not a big deal. Okay, where are we? Are we set for number 1? Yes. Got everything lined up? Fine. Okay, got that open. 1 above 1. And just a good hard press till you hear a loud click. That's it. Now let it up and set for number 2. Red. That's the arrow. Turn it to number 2. That's right. That's it. Better not to move the die around. Okay, now you lift off to the top with the left hand and put in one of these. You haven't got one. You can shape this one. Well, there's another dog here.
Yeah.
Barking. Yes, that's correct. So now you put it back on again with 1 above the 1. We'll let this answer itself, or maybe I'll try answering it. Red down. Yeah. I'll have to ask you whether I answered that correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, we got number 1 over to number 1. Now you want to set it for number 2. Turn the top die to the number 2 arrow is above the number 2.
Oh, yes. Fridays. First Friday of every month. Is that this Friday?
Okay.
Oh, well, certainly, right? Let me get a pen here and get some information, all right?
Okay. Let it halfway up and set it for number 3. Okay, you let it all the way up. That's all right. Press it halfway down again and put it in the press.
Yeah, where is it?
As you pick it up. That's it. Okay, if you're sure it's centered, press down.
Yeah, I know where 89 college is.
The one thing you want to be super careful about is not to press down with the press when it's not centered. Because that's the one thing that can break the die. It's not likely to. Yeah. There you go. Line button, no problem.
I went over 2 times too.
Yeah, you got it lined. You see what the lining up is about. So that this here is lined up. So that if you put it on without looking at it, it comes out right side up. If you don't line it up, you put it on without looking at it, it comes out sideways. So you're doing fine. Go ahead and make it on. Set the die to number 1.
No, that's not really
the paper is cheap. The reason for that is there are no centered on the paper.
Tapes to anyone but the
You
artist.
got that too far
The
off.
artist only get their own show, and the only person who gets a full shot of the show is the organization. Okay.
Okay, is it lined up with number 1?
Yeah, the artist can understand.
Push it so it's lined up.
The brothers will understand.
That's set up, but this is here.
Yeah. Never necessarily sure of anything else. Oh, good. All right, well, that's how we do about 7:30 on Friday. Okay, good enough.
How should I answer the phone?
Oh, Brendan Jams is fine. Anybody that wants me will ask for me.
That's great.
Why?
Okay, it's set for number 2. Have you got the back end? I don't think so.
No, don't get the back end.
Okay, so you pressed it.
No,
We're
I haven't
just
pressed it
tested.
yet.
Oh, so press. Okay.
I don't press it now.
You get a
It's
click.
not set for 2.
It shouldn't be set for 2. There are 3 presses. All right, think of it as 3 sections. This is the end, each of which ends with a press. So this is the end of section number 1. The arrows are lined up for 1, and you do the press number 1. And now lift this off like so, and put the back in without moving the die if you can do it. And now set the top right back on. It'll just fit right back on again. See what I mean? Now you set the top die for number 2. What you did was to set the bottom die for number 3. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now you're done with the second section again. The second section with the second press. So press. Got all the arrows lined up for number 2. Okay. Now you begin the third section. Set the die for number 3. And put it in the press. That's it. You got it. It's all right to let go. It's easier to not let go. But if you're finding that difficult, that's all right. Now you put it in the press and do the third press. You got it lined up for 3, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Should slide right in. Should not be difficult to slide in. It's difficult to slide in. Well, it is. Okay, so now there's the third press. That's the end of the third section. Right. Just one hard press is all I need. It's a soft metal. Just press down and it slides out. And you open it up. And this one got messed up. Hard to say why. Figure out why by looking at it. No, we can't. But it's alright. We always mess up a few. So, put the die aside, cut out some more, and we will continue. It's not a big deal that one got messed up like this.
Okay,
It was in the, if the die wasn't set correctly when you did this end of the second section. It looked correct to me, it looked correct to you, but we were both wrong.
with that plexiglass?
It's on the table in front of you.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be hard to see.
No, I took it out.
Oh, you did? There are 2 of them.
You're gonna need this though, huh?
No, there are 2 of them. Why is it that we're using one?
I didn't know where the other one was.
In the bottom of the box that had the cutter. That's where it's hardest to see. Okay, I want to cut these because this particular one, you have to make an adjustment for it. The line is in the wrong place. I don't want to teach you the wrong way to do it. You cut the next batch. Count out 3 of them. Square them up and cut out anyone except the lower left. Yes. Okay, you do want to do it once around because when you do it twice around, you get these long tails. But they just tear them off. They're not a big deal. We have another one here. Yeah, just tear it loose. Fine. Okay, so you got to try and hold the pressure on the knife the same all the way around. You let up the pressure a little too early there, and so we got a second that didn't get cut. But you're getting it. That should be fine. Okay, got to do one more cut, right? I can see from here that that is you're not supposed to be lining it up on the black line. You're supposed to be lining it up so the black line is the same distance from the metal in all directions. You see, the metal is not the nut. The
Yeah,
nut
you're
is
talking
in
about
front.
the distance, like from.
I'm talking about that black line
Yeah.
that should
To
be
the-
centered in this circle. Right? See, there's a little room on,
Yeah.
on that
So
side.
you
there's
don't
a little
want
room-
it like this.
No, because
want it
if you
like
put